Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time watching my YouTube, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell for icon notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you will get notification. Without wasting time, just keep time and watch carefully this particular video that I'm going to show you right now. Today I'm going to show you a website which called AeroUS, AeroUS or AeroUS, that you can use to make money every day on your life with your internet, with your cell phone, or whatever you are using that has to do with internet browser. So many people are asking me, is this real or is this fake? Okay, don't worry, just try and sign up below through the link you see there and find out if that is real. So here, if you look at this particular place, this is AeroUS, and this is maximum of new user, and this paid last week, and this all user in the project, and pay for all times, you know. So here you can be able to withdraw, you can be able to work for them, you can as well choose any MasterCard you are using, Bitcoin, PayPal, Amazon, whatever, Visa, Skill, Master, KPay, you know, whatever card you are using, here you can make use of it. You can as well go to the for the inquiry, which called the information, to find out how to start getting started, get payment setting, how do I change my personal information, you know, how to change email, you know, website, you know, all kind of things that you can be able to ask or find deal. So right now, for example, if you ask okay, how to get started, you see, to get started you should register in the system, enter personal account, and customize your payment information to receive payment. Okay, so in this place it's very easy to choose and to work with. Okay, and so if you invite a referral, if you invite someone, maybe you invite your friends, or you know, invite anyone, your partner, to participate with you. So here you're gonna get like 30% of every friend that you invite. You see here is you will be able to receive up to 30% of their income, as well as from 0.5 for each new participant. So here are everything that you need to know. So okay, right now, how are we going to register on this particular platform? Reviews, you can as well review everything, read the situations, read the whatever, everything you need to know, and everything is here. Quickly, how to get, for 1 week and more than 300 projects and so on, other things. So here are the solutions. If you if you seek for solution and other things, receiving income right after registration, other things. You have so many ways to earn from this place. So right now, let's go and register. If you don't have an account, if you are a new register, a new user, so what you have to do is that go straight to the sign up, which you see the sign up, and click sign up. Then right here, fill your form. Okay, right now I'm going to fill my form. Okay, let me fill the form. Okay, so I fill on email. You can use an email. Okay, okay. Okay, so here you sign up. Okay, you click sign up. Okay, once you sign up, you see right here, you see available balance is $100, and for yesterday, you see everything is here, right? So in this place, what is your job? Okay, so your job right now is to work with them, okay? To work right here and start earning your money. Start earning your money every day. So what you have to do is go here, okay? Then this is daily bonus, okay? Click. First of all, you have to take the daily bonus because it comes automatically, okay? So daily bonus, click, take. Thank you. So right now, you see, you press. You're having in this particular place arrest. Okay. So you wait for it to wait. Press continue. It's completed. Okay, you have here 101. Okay, total income due at the time. Okay, so right now this one we do. So after done doing that, if you want to make a payment, maybe after the month, you want to make a payment, you go to the payment method. You go to the payment method and you make enter withdraw. Okay, click 150, and this is withdraw account. Okay, this is not in this case because I cannot withdraw. My account has not been enough to withdraw. Okay, so whenever the payment allowed is available, once you click here, it will enable you to put on your credit card and method. If you put PayPal or whatever you want to make use of, you can make it. Is okay. So that is it. After that, so after done doing this, after everything, you now go to here. You see binary option. Yeah, you click binary option, and the ones that you have to trade is the ones that has to do with the green button. This green button, you click actively and you continue. Continue. Complete. So this you leave this one, you leave this one, you leave this one, you do this one because this one is green button. You click it. Continue. Okay. So guys, this is it. As you can see, all the greens, all the greens, all the greens. The red ones are not yet to thread, so you will leave it for the next time you can thread it. Okay, so these green ones are the ones that is already thread. That is the one that you can invest the bonus you have from here. Okay, so guys, see you on my next video. If this video really helps you, please give me a like or share. Give me a like and share it, please. If you have any question, drop the question on the comment section and I will get back to you. Or instead that, just click on my website and drop a comment on my website section and I will get back to you. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. See you guys. This is my status. This is my status. This is all about the status. You can as well click on the status. Okay, once you click on the status, everything, see, this is the status and everything is here. Okay, so that is how it functions, guys. See you. Bye.